Happy Saturday. I hope you guys had an amazing week. Boom, boom, boom. You guys are thinking, why does Miss Tiffany have that on her head? Well, my friends, it's because I'm a jellyfish and we're going to the ocean. All right, let's get started. Hello to everyone. How are you today? Welcome to Storytime, to read and laugh and play. And when you're up, you're up. And when you're down, you're down. And when you're only halfway up, you're neither up or down. So roll your hands so slow and bring it so fast. Give a little and put them in your lap, tap, tap. Good morning! All right, my friends, let's head out to the ocean. Are you ready? Ready, set, go! Wow! Look at all these sea creatures. Look! There goes a crab! Hi, Mr. Crab. Whoa! Look at that octopus and his tentacles. They are so huge. Let's keep it moving. Oh my! Look at the cute little sea turtle. Whoa! Hi! Look how big that whale is. Ooh! Look at the jellyfishes. Hi! Lots of fishes. Look! It's even a school of fishes! Even fish go to school. Ooh, let's go up a little bit. Let's see what we see. Whoa, look at those dolphins! They look like they're having a blast. Let's see what else we see. Ooh. Oh my! It's a shark! Alright guys, I think it's time to go. You ready? Let's go. Whoa, we saw so many amazing sea creatures. Are you ready to see the book I have for you guys today? We ready? Set, 1, 2, 3. It's called Oceanlife. This book has lots of sea creatures in it. Are you guys ready? Let's get it started. What is this called? This is called the title of the book. The title of this book is called Oceanlife. And it's on the cover of the book. What about that? Back there. What's that? The back of the book. And this? The spine. Good job, my friends. The spine. Now, we ready? Splash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. That's long. Whales breathe air through a blowhole in their head. You see that blowhole? Oh, right there. Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Dolphins travel in groups called pods. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in. A baby shark is called a pup. An octopus has 8 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octopus also has 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains, and no bones. How cool is that? Have you ever held a seashell? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them on the beach. A seashell is a hard cover for an animal that lives in the ocean. What's that? It's a seahorse. A seahorse father carries eggs in a pouch until they are ready to hatch. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it to hide from enemies. Pinch, pinch! Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Their claws open and close to catch food. Can I see your claws? Let me see. Clap, 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 clap. Open, close. I like your claws. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water, but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Sea turtles have lived since the time of the dinosaurs. Oh, wow. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales which protect their body and help them move. Fish breathe through gills on the sides of their head. Jellyfish have long tentacles, which they use to capture their food and sting their enemies. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. I'm not that jellyfish. I wish I was. What is your favorite animal in the ocean? What's your favorite animal? Mine's, I think, would have to be the jellyfish. That's why I'm dressed like one. They have beautiful colors and they glow in the dark. Some of them. But isn't that cool? Now, my friends, are you guys ready for our activity today? All right, let's get it started. All right, my friends, today we're going to make a sensory bag with lots of fun things inside. What you're going to need today is a handy dandy Ziploc bag, maybe a fish or two, a whale, a shark, a dolphin, some seashells. You know, Ms.Tiffany loves her food coloring, so some oil and water. Are we ready to get started? All right. All right, let's go. So long, farewell, see you later. Bye-bye, my friends, come along next time. So long, my friends, see you later. Bye-bye, my friends. Ms. Tiffany's out.